Okay, so if Pilates is more like strength training than like yoga, what's the difference between Pilates and any other form of strength training? First, Pilates is a full body workout. There's no arm day or leg day. It's a full body workout every single time you do it. It's specifically designed that way. Second, the focus is different. Yeah, sure, it's designed to build strength, but it's not just designed to build strength. Increasing stability is a huge priority in Pilates. It also works to even out imbalances. Muscle imbalances within the body can cause pain, they can cause injury. So, this is a really important thing. And when it comes to building strength, the priority is proximal to distal, meaning it goes from the center of the body, the abdominals, and then moving outward from there. So, you're always approaching it on every single exercise from the abs out. Start with the abs and then move outward from there. Always start with the abdominals. So it doesn't matter what your hand and foot are doing if you're not scooping your abdominals in and up. Start with the abdominals, then worry about hands and feet. Unless there's a safety issue going on, then worry about hands and feet. But if safety is not part of it, worry about the abdominals first, then move outwards from there. Next, rhythm is really important in Pilates compared to other forms of strength training. Yeah, sure, when you're lifting weights, you can lift on a specific rhythm, but with Pilates, the rhythm is part of the exercise. Timing is also really important. So everything is slow and controlled. Joseph Pilates, when he created the method, called it contrology. It's all about control. It's not about getting through it as quickly as possible. It's about slow, controlled movement. Transitions are also really important in Pilates. So it's not just exercise one, then exercise two. There's a transition between the two, and that's just as important as the exercises themselves. The whole class should have a flow, kind of like a yoga class, but it's not yoga. But it has that same idea of a through line flowing throughout the entire class, one constant movement. But again, not trying to get through it as quickly as possible. It's slow and controlled, but consistently moving with control. And these transitions between exercises, they change, they become more difficult the stronger you get. So, another difference between Pilates and strength training is that even the transitions become more difficult as you progress. Now, all this isn't to knock traditional strength training, it definitely has its place, but it's different from Pilates. Pilates has a different focus, different priorities. They both build muscle strength, but in different ways.